you know, the Workers' Comp Act is so unique in that it's what's called an exclusive remedy, which means that you can't sue your employer for the employer's negligence. So you're confined in what the damages are. And so the question I wanted to talk with Pat about is, let's say that I'm on the job and my hand gets caught up in a machine and it gets sawed off right there, clean loss to the hand, dominant hand. What's that going to be worth at the end of the day? What's the max I could get out of that?
Well, the max for workers' comp for a hand is 170 weeks times $220 cap. So I think that comes out to $37,000.
Okay, and when you say 170 weeks at $220, so you're capped at $220 worth of your wage, regardless of what you make?
That's correct.
And then 170 weeks, and then that's it, is that right?
That's correct. The hand is a scheduled injury, and before the Drummond Oil case in 2002, you could get the scheduled injury out of the schedule and go to a body as a whole. But
when you say scheduled injury, what does that mean?
That means anything that's not a neck, back, or shoulder basically is a scheduled injury. Your foot, I've written some stuff down here. A arm is 220 weeks, a leg is 200, foot is 138 weeks. And so if you, let's say you injure your hand, but you don't lose your hand, then you go to a formula and the doctor or a physical therapist who's done an FCE will determine the impairment rating. So you take the 220 cap times the number of weeks times the impairment rating, and so you're not going to get the $37,000. You're probably going to get much, much less for the injured hand, even if you're not able to use that hand anymore.
And that's tough, I'm sure, when you have to tell clients that when they've lost a body part like that. Michael